I'm going to give a review of these two dog beds. You can see here the one that my lab is laying on. He is quite comfortable here. This is the Orthopedic Dog Bed. This is by EMSLX is the brand name. Gets very good reviews on Amazon. And this is the extra large. This is a 44-inch by 32-inch model. Now, when I put these together, they come and it's basically an egg carton is what you're buying. Now, this one was thicker than the other one, and this one does have the sides on it. And it does seem like the dogs, actually prefer that, maybe because it's somewhat bigger. This one also has an egg, the one over here has an egg carton as well. It's a little bit thinner egg carton and no sides on it. Well, what's great about them is you can just unzip the cover, take it off, put it in the washer, and get it nice and clean. So the smaller one here that I'm focused on now is by WNPETHOME. It's an orthopedic dog bed. It's size large. It's come in different colors: blue, dark gray, gray, pink. This one is the light gray that I have here, and it is a 36 by 27. Now they also have other sizes as well for that same particular bed, but you can see the difference. I think it may be just helpful to see like large and extra large, and my lab here weighs about 100 pounds, and you see how he fits on the extra large. Now he would fit on the other one too, but it'd be a little bit smaller, so that gives you some size perspective on this. But a little bit thicker cushion on this one, sides on there. As far as the cover goes, both very nice covers on both of them. So I hope this is helpful, giving you perspective, seeing my dog enjoying this. And I do have two dogs, if you wonder, so that's why I have two beds there. He doesn't need both.